5G fixed wireless self-install is very new to the market and will be critical if you want to be successful in 5G fixed wireless. With 5G, fixed wireless is now coming to the masses, and if you want to deploy it at scale, it has to be simple and easy to do, and therefore you don't want to send a technician to every home. Self-install, therefore, will be critical. Operators looking to deploy 5G fixed wireless need to make sure the business case works. If they want to do it at scale and connect many users, self-install will be critical to be successful. When operators are doing 5G fixed wireless, they're competing with fixed broadband services, and therefore a self-installation from the end user will improve the business case and improve the end user experience, which is critical to be competing with traditional fixed broadband services. This is great news for customers because they have a plug-and-play solution that allows them to connect to the service in minutes. They don't have to sit around and wait for a technician to show up to actually do it for them, which actually means that the end user experience improves as well. They just can do it themselves, it's quick, easy, and it reduces the cost as they don't have to spend an additional fee for the installer to actually do it for them.